Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have a React app. Now start by choosing how to load Google Fonts. Open Index, HTML or your CSS module. If you prefer the simplest path, paste a link tag into public/index. HTML head, this gives immediate global access. Alternatively, plan to use at import inside src/index. CSS for component-level styling, this may delay rendering. You should select font family and weights before importing, because each weight adds network cost and affects cumulative layout shift. Once chosen, save and reload to confirm network requests. Now configure fonts in your code. If you prefer local control and faster subsequent builds, run npm install at fontsource/fontname and import the exact weights in src/index. JS, import at fontsource/fontname/400. CSS, import at fontsource/fontname/700. CSS. Once done, add font family to root or a global CSS file so components inherit it. If you use the CDN link, make sure to reference the exact family in your CSS. Keep imports specific to reduce. Finally, apply the font across your app by adding font family to root or body and include reliable fallbacks like System UI, sans serif. To avoid invisible text, ensure font display. Swap is applied. This yields better perceived performance. Once deployed, verify in the Browser Network tab that correct font files load and that weights match requests. If fonts don't appear, inspect for typos in family names, blocked CDN requests due to CORS, or an imported package version mismatch. Reset cache and confirm build includes the assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.